Alright, today we're featuring a 2015 Honda Civic LX. Alright, it's a certified unit. It's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. It's got 32,000 miles on it. Alright, it's nice black onyx, jet black in color. Alright, we'll go ahead and start down the driver's side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good there. Make our way across the back. It is equipped with the rear view camera. We'll make our way down the passenger side of the vehicle. Everything looks really good. Alright, door panel's in good shape. Got the all black door panel with the nice cloth insert there. Black cloth seats. Just a little bit of staining right there in the seat. It's got that little white tint to it there. Alright, rest of the seat looks really good. No problems there. Does come with 2 key fobs as well. Passenger seat looks in great shape. No problem with the passenger seat. Automatic. Alright, it's got your power supply and your auxiliary port there. There's your climate center, climate control center. Got your CD player there. Alright, it is equipped with steering wheel audio and Bluetooth. Go ahead and give you a shot of the mileage there. It's got 32,051 miles. And I'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, there you go. And the AC's been on for about 10 minutes now. Everything's blowing cold with the AC, no problems at all there. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look back here. Everything looks really good with the black cloth in the back seat. No problems. Alright, I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view. The layout of the dash and the console here. Everything's in good shape. Go ahead and step back here and let you see your trunk space and storage. As you can see, the carpet's in great shape. Alright, no problems at all. I'll go ahead and stand to the side so you can kind of get the depth of the amount of storage you've got back here. It is quite a bit of storage. Plenty of suitcases or a golf bag back there, no problem. Alright, let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. Alright, 15-inch steel wheels on it. Alright, and a brand new set of tires. Alright, just to recap. It's a 2015 Honda Civic LX. It's a certified Honda Civic. Alright, it's got a clean Carfax. It's a one owner. It's got 32,000 miles. Alright, it's in fantastic condition. Come down, check it out, and thank you for watching the video.